Hey guys, this is Why Not Flex here. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Halo 3 on PC at like 60 FPS max graphics. Okay, so alright, so here's just the gameplay, I guess. So okay. Okay. So first you just wanna like mash the A button, cause that's how you get. Okay. I don't think it's supposed to play music, but alright. So just mash the A button, or just yeah. Okay. So now it's gonna like load or something, and like okay, good. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay. So just wait for it to load. Okay, so now we are in game. Okay. So like max graphics. The graphics are really so good you can't even see them. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Okay. The graphics are so good, it looks like rainbow. Cause it's good. It's 60 FPS, don't worry about it. Alright, so you just have to like mash the A button now. Cause that's how you do good, okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. So now you have to like press the secret button sequence. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think I did it. Okay, alright. Okay. Alright. So now you just have to like, well, you have to grab a medkit, cause like that's how you play the game or something. I don't know. So, yeah, so the game's in 60 FPS, don't worry about it. Okay, so now you have to like, okay, you're dead. Okay, dead phony. Okay, now shoot. Okay.